In this video student, we are going to learn triple quote. In earlier video we have understand how to use triple quote for comment. We can create the multiple line string also with the help of triple quote using single or double quote. Okay, you can use a 3-time triple quote and you can place here multiple line. So we will do it practically student. To do that we have to open this one thing, Python. So I have already opened a file and now we are going to create a string, that is str1. Okay, or we can say that s1 equals to, simple, you have to use triple quote. Hi, this is, okay, my multiple line, what thing, string literal. Okay, so triple quote close, and after that if I am going to just print what thing, s1, let's see what will the output. So I'm going to just print it. So you can see triple quote has been printed. Okay, so with the help of triple quote you can also create a multiple line string literal also. Now we are talking about a string function and method. Okay student, so here number of string methods are there which are mentioned in CBSE material also and the CBSE syllabus also. So we will consider here is two variable, that is a and b. A that is store comp and b my computer. Okay, my comp. So here we will discuss one by one. Okay, so first one thing, method, second result and example. So here you can see that len, that is a function, with the help of this particular function we can get the length of a particular string. So here you can see if I am going to pass this particular a inside this length, it will return 4. Why? Because 1 2 3 4. So here indexing value don't need to recognize in the next that is indexing value. In this time you will recognize c first, o second, m third, p 4. So last value is 4. So what is the length? Is 4. So student, we will do it practically. To do that student, I have to open a Python ideally. So what I am going to do student, so same thing I will do. So I will make the comment, multiple comment. Okay, because between that I have already used the triple quote, so it will not accept. So I have used alternate triple quote, that is double triple quote. Okay, now it is being good a comment. So now student, you can say if you are use already single quote, so you have to use double quote, triple quote. Okay, now we are going to create a, suppose that here is comp and the second one thing, that is suppose that b, I am going to reassign this particular value. Here is my comp. Okay, now we are going to talk about the length. Okay, so here I am going to show you the output in a console. I am to say shell mode, so I have to use a print statement along with that. So here len, within that I will type a. So let's see what will the output. As I teach you, it will print definitely 4. Okay, so it will better if you are using this particular string also, the length of what thing, a string is space, then after that you can see that it will looks more beautiful as compared to the earlier output. Now we are going to understand, suppose that we are going to check the length of the b variable. So here we are going to pass b variable and then you will pass here b. So let's see what will the output, including a space also it will show you the output. Let me to say 7. So let's see how many elements are in our b. 1 2 3 and remaining 4 will be definitely 7. Okay, now we are going to talk about the next one thing, capitalize. Okay student, here is capitalize function. So along with the string variable you have to use like that. Suppose that str, it is shown here the string data type along with a dot. Okay, and is capitalize, to capitalize the string. Okay, suppose that here is small, so it will be converted in a capital. So let's see what will the output. So here print, definitely I will use a, then is after that capitalize. Okay, press tab. Now you can see that student, I am going to run it. Now you can see that first letter is going to be capital, where in earlier time the capital C was small. Okay student, Now we are going to understand the title. Okay, we'll return the case string only. Okay, what is the case string of that? Let's see. So here I am going to comment them. Print a, here will be title. So let's see what will the output, student. Only title it will come. Okay, the same thing will come. And here is upper and lower. So we will talk about the upper function and lower function, student. It will convert the whole string in a capital letter, and it will convert in whole string in a small letter. So we are going to take the example, student. So here I am going to take a variable that is C. Suppose that here is a single quote. Suppose that COMPUTER. Okay, it is in a capital letter. So we will do, and I'm going to say try it one by one. And first of all, A, that is uppercase. Okay, then after that you can see what will output, capital letter. Now I am going to convert the C variable is a lowercase. Okay, so now you can see here is computer will be lowercase. Okay, while in the earlier time it was in capital letter. So we have understood how to use the upper and lower function. Now count, it will return the total count of the given element of string. Okay, so suppose that if I'm going to count how many O's are there, C are there, it will return 1 2 3 whatever according to the what thing number of the this one thing. So I'm going to again comment it. And now print, suppose that I'm going to just C dot count. Here I'm going to count U, run it. Let's see 1. If I'm going to count a small letter like this U, let's see what will the output. Here will be 0 because there is no U inside the C variable which is in a small letter. Okay, now we are going to understand find. Find is one of the function, okay, which is to find the substring of that. Substring means a string inside a string. It may be a number of 1 2 or this one thing. So substring is maybe a single collection also, multiple collection also. So it will give you from start from 0 index to n minus 1. So here in this case we have find m, it will definitely return 2. Let's see what will the output according to us. So here I am going to show you. Suppose that print A, that find. What I am going to find, student? I am going to find, suppose that m. Okay, inside m, this one thing. So let's see, it will definitely give me 2. Why? Because it is based on indexing value. So C is 0, O is 1, and m is 2. Okay, in the case of this I am going to say B. What will be search first index will come of that one thing only. You can see, I will show you in like this one new file. Now you can see 0 in the B variable, m found in 0th place. So it do not make the effort to search the another one m. So it will search, it will show you the index value also. Okay, now replace. Replace is another one function, student. With the help of this particular function you can replaced by substring. Substring means a single also or double also. So here r equals to b equals to replace my. In the place of my, you are replacing your, you will be your camp. Okay, so here because it is immutable type, so that's why we have stored in a r variable. Okay, along with that also r is not compulsion, but we are using it. So here I will comment it. I will show you here, student. Okay, so print, suppose that B, here will be replace. Okay, here I am going to replace my by your. Okay, refresh and just run your camp. Okay, student, you are not able, I am say you can just replace like this also. Okay, that looks good. So okay, because this variable immutable, so I will use here my this one thing. So here your camp. So student, we have learned today the function len, capitalize, title, upper, lower, count, find and replace.